Hey guys, Nikki here, and welcome to Makeup Over 40, where I'm over 40, but that does not mean you have to be. So I created this channel to show you guys my routines as far as makeup, skincare, how to stay looking young, how to keep the skin looking fresh, the makeup looking good, age appropriate. And so the #1 request when I asked what you guys wanted to see besides tutorials was my skincare routine. I have put this video off so long. And it's because I have been stressed in real life. If you aren't over on my blog channel, please check it out. Well, it's not my blog channel, it's my main channel. I will link it right here and below the video. But I have just been going through a lot and my skin has been horrible. So let's just start by saying, if you have been following me for a long time, I was oily. I was the person that used to use milk of magnesia on my face under my makeup. Otherwise, it wouldn't last. And then I went through what is called menopause. Everything about me changed down to my feminine hygiene. And my skin is dry now, especially here. Now, I went and got my skin analyzed. You can too. You can go to Sephora and get a hydrofacial. And I will link that below. Check your local Sephora in your local area, and they analyzed my skin. So from like under my nose, cheek wise on out, I am extremely dry, and up in here I still have normal to oily skin, so that would be combination. So I had to switch up a lot of things because I'm just like, girl, you've been having oily skin your whole life. And oily skin is really good because when you have oily skin, you won't wrinkle as fast. But if you have oily skin, please use moisturizer still, because a lot of people feel like they don't need it. That's why you're producing so much oil. You need moisture sometimes. Said all that to say, some things has changed. And here lately, my skin ain't been good. But I feel like to be 40 plus, baby, I know some 20-year-olds who can't hang with me. No, so I'm just gonna show it to you still, right? And you're gonna, this is my routine. I went through some, I stopped doing my routine. I started back eating sweets, sodas, and so your skin, all of that matters. Drink water, guys. Cut them sweets out. Cut them sodas out. All of that matters with your skincare. So let me just show you guys what I do. Now, if you've been following me a long time, you know in the morning, I get a white rag. I get a white rag and some hot water, and that's all I put on my face. And a moisturizer. The less the more for me. But this is my taking my makeup off before I go to bed type routine. I've talked enough. Let's hop into it. So of course, to start, you move everything off the face. Of course. Alright, so first step is take your lashes off. And I know y'all like platinum, but y'all want to know what I do, I'm telling you. Okay, so there you have it right there. These are my favorite right here to remove my makeup, especially on the go. So I always start with a Neutrogena wipe. And I'm going to explain to you why I do things as I do it. Of course, I can go straight in with a cleansing balm and all of that. But honestly, my cleansing balm is expensive, so I try to save it. And this helps to where when I go in with my cleansing balm, I don't get my nails and my hands and stuff so dirty, because it just be taking everything off. So this is the Neutrogena wipes. I only use the fragrance-free ones because I hate the way they smell, honestly. And they are the best wipes on the market. They have been for years. And so yeah. Sorry, I'm using my vanity mirror. I don't want my lace to come up, y'all. You don't have to be so caught up because I am going to go in with a cleansing balm. So So now that we have most of the makeup off of our face, I'm going to go in with a cleansing balm. What this do is just melt the makeup off. You can really start with this, and I do sometimes. It just depends on how I feel, honestly. So I use the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. My favorite is the Green Fig, but this is the original right here. I just love the smell of the Green Fig. I don't too much like the smell of this one. They are kind of pricey. I'm on their PR, but I feel like if I wasn't on their PR, I would still buy it. I love it that much. But Pixie and a whole bunch of other brands have cheaper alternatives if you don't want to pay that much for that. That's what it looked like. I just take like a little bit like this. Now, if I hadn't already went in with that white, I would have to use way more. And I always have a makeup eraser towel with me because I hate my hands being dirty. And this is going to go ahead and melt the rest of this out of our face. Oh, I love the smell of this. They have a rose one too, but I'm not big on rose. So, yeah. If you wear lace fronts like me, after you get most of the makeup, I'll go ahead and cover your lace. But I do it like after so that I can make sure I get most of it off first. Otherwise, you'll still have it on. So guys, please keep in mind that everything I'm using is interchangeable with something more, with something inexpensive or that doesn't cost as much. Just get the type of product I'm using. So just get a cleansing balm. Just get a moisturizer. You don't have to get the brand I'm getting. So I moved to the bathroom because I am going to need to wet my face. Just like that, we in our robe, ladies and gents. So I'm going to put a little water on my hands and activate this balm a little bit more. Now this water is going down my hands because what? I forgot to put something on. So you can get these from Amazon as well. This is what stops the water from going down your hands. So then I just take this towel and get all that balm off and then wet the towel. You really want to make sure that the makeup is off, guys, because the makeup being stuck in your pores and stuff is what breaks you out. So I went ahead and put the head wrap on too, and I take the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. This one is empty. We got a little bit more, probably one more use in here. And we're just gonna, hold on y'all, maybe not. So I'll rub it in like lotion almost. Hold on, got too much of that covered. Because we're gonna run the water and just rinse our face with it. So literally just, you gotta rinse your face. Then I go in with my disposable washcloths. They look like this in a box. I get them off Amazon. I will make sure I link them. They are a dupe for a very popular brand, but they are a fraction of the price and work just as good. But make sure all of this is off of me. And how you know if your face is clean? If your towel is clean. Alright, so we're back in here. We can remove this because I'm not dealing with the water anymore. So I exfoliate or scrub. That is very important. You got to get the dead skin cells off your face, especially if you wear makeup. That's what make it lay evenly. So I take the Elements Dynamic Resurfacing Pads. They were in my skincare fridge, so that's why it's frosted. And I use these because they're gentle, and I just love them. They're so bomb, guys. They're so bomb. But get any facial scrubber. You can use any facial scrubber. And I really target my cheeks or where I'm hyperpigmented at or really, really dry at. When you're done with your face, you want it to feel like it hurt if you do that. You want to pull all those impurities out and then put the moisture back in. So I just use this to like exfoliate my skin. And it's a very gentle exfoliator. And one pad, because I think this joint like $60, baby. Alright. So next I'm going to tone my face. I like to use the Chanel cotton. That's just a personal preference, y'all. I know it's expensive. It's like $20 a bottle, guys, but it's Chanel. But feel free to go, because baby, them same things at the Dollar Tree. They got the cute C stamped in them like that, double C. And I take the Glow Tonic from Pixie, and this is what I use to tone. And this is award-winning, guys. I have been using this for years, and mine says Nikki because they send me a customizer. Mine says Nikki because they send me a customized bottle every year for Christmas, and just tone the face. We're working on putting our moisture back in now, y'all. I don't do anything to my eyes, but I see now as I'm getting older, I need an eye cream. So you won't see one in this tutorial, but child, I'm telling y'all now I need one. So we're going to work on moisture. So I'm going to tell you right now, when I'm really, really dry, I've just came from vacation, been in the sun a lot, etc. I put on this Origins Drink Up Intensive Mask and go to sleep in it. This is so bomb. So bomb. That will be the very last step though, and that's only on the days I'm real dry, like I just came back from a cruise or something, you know. So next up is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Use any moisturizer. They have a day formula and a night formula, so it depends on. The only difference is, of course, the night formula is going to be more intense and heavy because it's meant for you to sleep in it throughout the night. It's not meant to be worn under like makeup, even though I do sometimes. It's not meant to. So we're just going to take a little bit of it. With these products, you're always supposed to be no more than a nickel. Sometimes a dime size. This is almost too much. And just put my moisture back in my face. And this cream make your face feel so good and soft. Me and my daughter are addicted to it. Oh my gosh. And y'all, my estheticians in the comments, hold it. Unless it's something I'm really, really doing wrong. It's just something I do. Because, you know, you'll have somebody, girl, you supposed to. And you ain't supposed to. I've been doing this routine for a long time. And last, I go in with the oil. This is the Elemis Superfood Facial Oil. I like moisture. We want this skin to look like it's glowing. Don't get too close to your eyes like I just did with this oil. Because if it bleeds and get in your eye, really put a lot of moisture in your eyebrows too. I don't know what it is about the eyebrows that just be crunchy. 3 spots with this. Cheek to cheek, forehead. And the last step, my dears, will be your lips. Don't forget about them lips. Don't. Oh, look at that. You guys know I am a deep fan of the Christian Dior lip oil, but everybody has one now that's a fraction of the price. So this one right here was sent to me as well from a company called Kaja. And if you guys could tell, baby, I'm about to be up out of that. I love this. I love the wand. It's around 18 bucks. Just get any lip oil, or let me show you what else I like to use. If my lips are extremely dry, I use these. These are the Laneige lip mask. I have gummy bear and mint chocolate, and I put them on those days my lips are like super dry. And the most important step is drink your water. I literally carry this around me all day, every day. I do not leave the house without it. Dry. So that's my skincare routine, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some tips from it. Please keep in mind that skin is skin. No matter if it's dry, oily, normal combination, it still needs care. Just get the products that nurture to your skin. For example, if you are oily, get an oil-free moisturizer. If you are dry, get a moisturizing moisturizer. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you want to see next. All right, leave your questions in the comment, and I'll see y'all in my next video.